So today's topic is we are going to solve NCERT 12th standard physics exercise problem 710. A radio can tune over the frequency range of a portion of medium wave broadcast band 800 kHz to 1200 kHz. If its LC circuit has an effective inductance of 200 microhenry, what must be the range of its variable capacitor? So answer given in the book is 87.9 picofarad and 197.8 picofarad. So ideally in for radio tuning circuits we use parallel resonance circuit generally. So the parallel resonance circuit will be like this. Okay. Even series also we can use. Series resonance circuit also we can use, but generally parallel resonance circuit is used. One of the value is fixed. This is fixed. It's given as 200 microhenry. So this value is 200 microhenry. So the signal is tapped from this point, and this is a variable capacitor. Okay. So we have to find for these two frequencies what's the capacitance value. So the resonant frequency FR is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. Okay. So first case FR, we know the value for FR, L value is given, we have to find C. Okay. Okay. Now bring this term this side. That means root LC is equal to 1 by 2 pi FR, resonant frequency. Now squaring both sides, you will have LC 1 square 1 divided by 2 pi FR the whole square. Okay. Now we want C. So C is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi value is 6.28. 6.28 resonant frequency the whole square multiplied by L. Okay. Now the first frequency F1, the lower frequency is 800 kilohertz. This is given. Okay. So to receive 800 kilohertz, we know the frequency. So you substitute the value, then we can find the value of C. So C is equal to 1 divided by 6.28. Now resonant frequency FR. FR is 800K into 800K the whole square into L. L value given already. L is 200 microhenry. 200 microhenry. Now we have to solve this. So which is equal to 1 divided by 6.28 square into 800 square into kilo square into 200 micro. Okay. Now we will simplify this value. So 6.28 square. This is 39.438. 39.438. So this value. This is 800 square. 8 8s are 64. And you have 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then k square. K is 10 power 3. K into k, that is 10 power 6. So k square is 10 power 6. Then you have 200 micro into 200 micro. Micro is 10 power minus 6. Now 10 power minus 6 and this 10 power 6 gets cancelled. So now you have 1 divided by 39.438 into 64 into 2, 128. 128, you have 4 zeros here, 2 zeros. So that means into 10 power 6. Okay. I want to answer in picofarad. So what I do is here multiply by 10 power 6 and divided by 10 power 6. Okay. Now this will be 10 power 12, and when it goes to the numerator it will become 10 power minus 12. Therefore it is in picofarad. Now we will solve for this. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 divided by 39.438 into 128. So this gives you 198.09. So this answer, this 10 power 6, 10 power 6, when it goes to the numerator, this is 10 power 12, numerator 10 power minus 12. So into 10 power minus 12 farad. Now 10 power minus 12 can be written as picofarad, 198.09 picofarad. This is one of the answer. So we got the answer. We got the answer in the textbook. Answer is 197.8 picofarad, and we are very close to that value. So this is correct. Okay, next we will go for the another frequency. What is another frequency? Another frequency is 1200 kilohertz. Now we have to choose the second frequency, the upper limit, 1200 kilohertz. Okay, we will be using the same formula. C is equal to 1 divided by 6.28 f r the whole square into L. The L value is fixed. This value is not changed. So C is equal to 1 divided by 6.28. The resonant frequency is 1200 kilohertz. 1200 kilo, the whole square, multiplied by L. L value is 200 microhenry. Okay. Now once again we will solve for it. That is 1 divided by 6.28 the whole square into 1200 the whole square, then k square, then 200 micro, that is 200 into micro. Okay, this is micro. Okay, now this is equal to 1 divided by 6.28 square. Okay, 6.28 square, 39.438. 39.438, this value. Then this 12 square 144, and you have 2020, that means 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4. K square, k is 10 power 3 into 10 power 3, 10 power 6. Okay, then you have 200, then you have micro. Micro is 10 power minus 6. So this plus 6 and minus 6 gets cancelled. Okay, now C is equal to 1 divided by 39.438 into 144. This is 10 power 4 and here you have 2 zeros. So 144 into 2 and 4 zeros, this 2 zeros, so 10 power 6. This everything is in denominator. Okay, now multiply. Now we will do the calculation. Now C is equal to 1 divided by 39.438 into 144 into 2, that gives you 11,358.144 into 10 power 6. So I want the answer in picofarad. So multiply by 10 power 6 and divide by 10 power 6. Okay, so this term is pico when it goes to the numerator. Therefore 10 power 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 divided by bracket 11358.144 144, that's all. That gives you 88.04. So the value for this is 88.04. This is 10 power 12. When it goes to the numerator, 10 power minus 12. So it is, the value is 10 power minus 12 farad. So the answer is 88.04 picofarad. So we got the, here in the book answer it is 87.9. So we have a very close approximation. The answer is right. So now, so this capacitance will have a capacitance value 88.04 picofarad to 197.8 or 198 picofarad, okay, roughly. Now the question is, if you go for the market and buy a capacitance variable capacitance, usually it will be in the range for 0 to 470 picofarad. So this capacitance usually available is 0 to 470 picofarad in the market. So this will cover the entire range, that is 88.04 this to 198 picofarad and above also, but we require only this. So in this range the circuit will be tuned for 800 kilohertz to 1200 kilohertz. See, the same concept can be applied for series resonance also. Series resonance is RLC series, but here the incoming signal, a parallel resonance circuit, and the signal is tapped from this point, okay. Whereas if you connect a series resonance circuit, what will happen is, so this is antenna and you have to connect series, so LC. So this is tuned circuit and it will go to the next stage and this becomes a variable, okay. So generally we go for parallel tuned circuit. Both the cases the resonant frequency formula is same. So you can use a series resonant circuit or you can use parallel resonant circuit for receiving medium wave band 800 kilohertz to 1200 kilohertz. Thank you for your attention. Nandri.